Hello, Owen. So for this video lesson, we're going to pick up right where we left off last week on merchant ships. And right here, we're going to start with the chords. So it's that same 3rd fret A string, ring finger, 5th fret on the D string, and then 4th fret on the G string with your middle finger. So right here, all he's doing is just strumming that, and then putting your pinky quickly on the 5th fret of the G string. Alright, so after he does that, and then it's just that same chord 8 times. So how that will sound kinda is just and then after this bar, he goes pointer to the 2nd fret. And then right here, instead of just briefly going to the 5th fret, for 3 beats, he goes to the 5th fret on the G string. Picks his pinky up here, and then here goes to the B string, 5th fret. So that this section right here is going to go 5th fret, the 1, 2, 3, pinky up, 1, 2, 3. So from here, and then right here we go back to the 3rd fret. And then that 4, 5, so the pinky goes to the 5th fret. And then we just strum that 3, 5, 4. And then the pointer goes to the 2nd fret right here, do, 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 do. And then this is where the song picks up, and we do these weird chords right here. So middle finger, 3rd fret on the A string, pointer, 2nd fret on the D string, pinky, 3rd fret on the high E string. So do, 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 do. So that's that one right there, that measure. And then right here, this strumming pattern. So after the do, 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 and then it's do, 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 do. And now we go to a different, this weird one right here. All right, ready? So we go middle finger and pinky goes to the 7th fret, pointer on the 5th fret. And then we go 5th fret, middle finger and pinky, 4th fret with the pointer. And then after we get through this whole part, we drop down and repeat these measures 3 times. So it's that same patterns right here in finger shapes, except different strumming patterns right here. We can see here, it was the da 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 da. Now here we go. So do 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 do. And that repeats twice right here. So the drop down to the 7th fret with the middle finger, pinky, pointer, 5th fret. You repeat that once more, and then you end up in the song with the 3, 2, 3. So you hold that. And then you strum it again. And one last time. And that's the end of that one. Next thing I want you to practice is the dad rock, the that sounds really bad without the capo. So practice that whole first one right here, and then also this one. So back to the, and then this. And that sweeping part right there. Practice that, and then also practice this ending part slowly. So at 139 to the end, or just take a listen to that one. All right, we'll go over that one next week also. And then also practice the psychosocial, mainly the first 4 measures, because we got these 2. Got those pretty fast. Now make sure that these are pretty fast. So starting with that first one, make sure everything's clean, and you can stay in the clean channel to make sure everything is clean. And then the next measure right here, 7, 8, 10. And now this one, we're going to go D string 12, 13, 15. 12, 13, 15 also on the G string. Slide over with your pinky to 17, 15, 13. So back. So one more time with that one. And then we go 4, 13, 15, 17, and then 13, 15, 17, 13, 15, 17 on the G string, and then 15, 16, 18 on the B string. And then this last measure I want you to get right here, 10, 12, 13 on the G string, 11, 13, 15 on the B string, and then 12, 13, 15 on the G string, and now 13, 15, 16, 16, 15, 13. So forward, back, and then back forward with 15, 13, 12. And then back up to 13, 15, 16 on the B string. Just get all 4 of these measures down. Just practice them slowly. Just get each line as cleanly as possible. And just go until you make a mistake. If you make a mistake here, then just practice up to here. Just get that super clean, and then add that, and add the rest, you know? And then also practice doing them in order. So the first one. And if you have to, stop right here on the 10, and then scan the next line, and then go for it. Because you want to try to get that muscle memory down when changing between these bars. So right after the... So just to make sure you got changing from here to here, there to there, there to there. If you want to get this part also, go ahead, because the next hardest part is all these hammer on and pull off. But I think there might be a way to make this a little bit easier. I'll see about making that part easier, but just focus on these first 4 measures, all right? Practice that, and see you next week.